Okay, we've got a shape here, shape T, and we're to multiply it by a scale factor of -2 with the center of enlargement -2, -2. So first of all, let's find that center of enlargement, and that's going to be here. So the new point from this old point, which is the top of the old triangle, must be along this line here. And this point must exist somewhere along that line there. And this point must exist somewhere along that line there. So if we look at the base of our triangle here, this is of length 2. So we're going to have to find a horizontal distance between these two lines, the red line and the yellow line, whose width is 4. And the only points that work out are these 2 points here. This distance here is 4. So this must be the base of our shape. Now we've got to find this point here. And it'll be directly in between these 2 points, and it will be on the blue line here. So the transformation of the top of the triangle that's now going to become the bottom of the triangle will be this point here. So now we can draw the complete transformation, and the enlarged triangle will look like that. And that's your answer.